threw some quick decals on the rig, just so you can know what we're doing and why we're doing it. And we have these few on the trailer we put down here, powered by Jack, Stan, Jimmy. Thanks for letting us borrow this, brother. Made it all possible. But yeah, the car is just looking so sweet. We're up pretty late doing the hood vents. I think Monday night we did that. And we have all of the cam car stuff in the trunk. So when we want to use that, we just can pop it on real quick. But hopefully if you guys are here now, you watched the drift video. What a fun project to work on. But today is Wednesday. We are on our way to Great Bend, Kansas from Sarasota. We're going to be capturing clips every day for about an hour-long YouTube video, and that's going to be just a sick race week movie. So we're going to go 100% all out. We might throw in a few clips to show you guys what it's looking like, but most of the final clips will be in the final video, probably releasing 1 week after race week. But hang tight, we're going to be putting out some cool stuff on Instagram and everything like that. So it's only about 45 minutes into the trip, but Mac, you'll quickly see it. He has to go to the bathroom every 40-50 miles. But check this out. We pull up to the rest stop here in Pasco County, Florida, and this is a serious setup. Looking so sick. Couple of haulers right here. But yeah, Mac has to take his 7th piss of the journey. We've been driving for 4 hours, so I don't even know if we're gonna get there for race week at this point, but it is what it is. As long as Mac is hydrated and his bathroom necessities were taken care of.
As long as I'm happy.
As long as Mac's happy. Dude, you look like a first base coach. Unreal. We're thinking about making it through Georgia tonight, and then doing the last leg tomorrow. Wake up early, and we will crush hopefully only like 12, 13 hours of driving.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nighttime, it's raining, I can barely see. Unreal. Brighter than the Priime factory in here.
Why is the tire need an oil change? Oil temps high?
Oh, it's just proper maintenance. Proper scheduled maintenance. They start working on this. I'm like, no, not this one, the trailer. Yeah, we LS swapped the trailer.
Change on this?
No, the trailer.
The truck back there?
No, the trailer.
What was it?
The trailer?
The trailer?
No, I'm kidding. I'm messing. No, we're gonna do it on this truck.
You're gonna have to drop the trailer.
Come on.
Yeah.
I don't think he liked the trailer.
Yeah. Say exhaust on the back right?
No, that's a mount for the camera.
That's what I was thinking before.
They're getting crank.
Dude, speed this up in post.
I got 10. Yeah, actually, I'll slow it down. Hey, there she goes. Set a timer, right? Just set it now, actually. See how long it takes. We got money on the line. We got 2 minutes on the clock. Chris said it would take 8 minutes. Eric said 15. My dumbass said 30, but we've got 4 employees working on this car right now, so yeah, they're diagnosing other issues. They're gonna tell them like a radiator looks like, dude, I don't need a radiator flush.
Here's your air filter. Where's what new was supposed to look like? 2250. So I to get a new one today.
I'm all set. Sorry, man.
We'll just blow on her.
Where y'all headed to?
We're going to Kansas right now.
Maybe we could use an air filter.
Yeah, we'll be back on the way back to that filter.
So when you scan that barcode, that's when it started.
Here you go.
We'll see. There's a squirrel. Where are we?
Somewhere in Kentucky. We're stopped in traffic, 0 mile an hour.
And?
It's raining.
And?
It's hot.
Why is it hot?
Bad GM blend door actuator. My seat, luckily, the heat only works. So this side of the car is about 140. You guys are at like 80, probably. Nice, cool. But yeah, we have no AC for the trip. So Mac, what are we dealing with right now, dude?
This is AC blender.
Blender?
Blender is malfunctioning.
Blender.
So we are going to remove the fuse.
Yeah, we've had no AC for the past hour. Big race week, guys, dude. Are you kidding me? Is the fuse blown? Hold on. Fuse looks to be in a beautiful condition.
Mint, some would say.
Mint condition.
Beep, boop, beep.
You want the good news or the bad news?
Bad news.
Bad news? I've been sweating for an hour and I smell like shit. Both sides are blowing cold as of right now. So, I let Mac drive once and he runs the Tahoe out of gas.
Okay, let me say this.
What?
I got the tank literally at 2 bars before empty, and then we get in a road that has no gas.
Let Mac drive. It'll be fun, dude.
Hey, I fixed the AC, so I'm gonna go to the gas station.
I guess let's just all go. Leave those hazards on. It is what it is. This is an excursion, dude. Hot commodity, right, dude?
Last gas tank.
In the state of Illinois, dude. You're just a complete madman. Unreal. You got this? God, you're good.
It's not convenient though either that the place I run out of gas, it's 70 cents more per gallon than anywhere else.
Are you driving this next leg or what?
Yeah, I gotta redeem myself.
All right, cool.
Wait, but I did fix the AC.
Midnight on the second day of driving. We're 1 hour away from Great Bend, so we're just filling up for the last time, and I'm just going to do a quick tire check. Pretty smart thing to do when you're traveling this much distance, is to check the tires on the trailer and the truck. So I'm going to go ahead and give them a quick tire kick, see if they're good to go, and then we'll be back on the road. Good. Good old Flying J's. Coming in clutch. Last leg of the trip. Well, the last leg of the trip to Great Bend.